How's it going, guys? King Cadillac. Today we are at Sandown Park Hotel for the Kingpin Customs car show. So without further ado, let's get into the classic cars. Now, we've only been going roughly an hour and pretty much every car park is full already. Once again, that's only an hour that this has been going. So please bear with me because this will be a fairly decently long video. I'll try to get in as many cars as I can in the short amount of time. Old Ford LTD, very nice. Old Mustang. Camaro. Not too bad, brother. Yourself? Beautiful old Mercury. Ford GT. Mustang. Nice 28 Ford pickup.
Mine's a bit stiff, but I'm getting 2 new doors in the garden.
Now once again I do apologise if it's a little bit bumpy or if it's a bit windy. Very cool old Chrysler wagon here. Thing's an absolute beast. XR7 Cougar Mercury, very nice.
Take care, mate.
We got hot rods here, we got rat rods, we got sedans, we got wagons, there's utes, there's coupes. Got bikes, and we got some panel vans. There's plenty of cars here. This is beautiful.
I don't know, that's just because my dad has.
Nice old Buick GS. Another car coming in. Now, I honestly do not know how long this video will go for, but I'm telling you right now, it's going to be over 5. It's going to be well over 5 minutes. I'll just cut under here. That is gorgeous. Oh, sorry about that. I just realised it's got sun glare. And then you got my hand in the way. My bad. Do apologise for the sun glare. An old Ford Falcon sedan delivery. It's very cool. Another sedan delivery or panel van, as they're more commonly known as.
Well, I'm just going to get parted out.
Yeah, tires. For one-handed steer like yourself.
There you go.
But Dad, Dad kept asking.
Out the front of the house, 10 road, 5 houses up the road.
So this video is going to be way over 10 minutes. Rear end of a Mustang. Nice old Statham. Lincoln Continental. Very nice. Here we go. Music's playing, which means copyright.
$207 or whatever it was.
That'd be about right. As I do the video, the music starts playing. Cute little mini miner. Those are adorable. Good little engines in the minis. And it looks like we've got Luke busy at work. Doing a bit of pinstriping.
Nothing to see here. No, there isn't.
Oh, no, he's right. He hasn't even started. He's slacking off.
He's picking it up in the next couple of weeks.
Whatever, mate.
Probably would have been easier if I just did a live video for all of you. Oh well. The Mustang, we got a beautiful Corvette here. I'm not going to go right up to it because it's got a lot of sun glare on it. Got the old Sheriff Galaxy here. Beautiful old coupe here.
It's in his fucking
Now, for the info, this is a public event, so I have no control over the music. So for any copyright issues, remember that I have no control over this music. And it is a public event, it is being played to the public. For the old Merc here. Gorgeous old coupe. And now we'll take you into the other area. We've actually got cars still coming in, as you can see here. That one, the one up the back. Old school car here. All these ones here. Chev. The old Ute here. Beautiful old ute.
Leave one arm on the roof and one arm.
As I said, guys, I knew I was going to go over a 10-minute video, but trying to get in as many cars as we can. The vehicle that was coming in. Another old ute coming in, or as everyone likes to call them, an old truck. Another old ute here, looking absolutely stunning. A VW Bug, line up of bikes. And this is just to show you what we've got over here. We got this whole filled with classics. Absolutely chockers. I'm not gonna say anything bad about it because, well, what can you say? I mean, you've seen how many cars are here already. Going really well. There you go. Not too bad. Nice old Pontiac. Lined up.
I'll swap him.
Gorgeous Challenger. One of my mates owns this one. Nice old coupe. Ford. Very nice. You just ruined the photo. You broke my camera.
That's all right, you can edit me out.
That was one of my mates. Another coupe. Oh, we got a very nice purple coupe coming up. That looks marvellous. That is stunning. 47 coupe, not bad. Another old Ford here. Old Hunter wagon. Studebaker. I think I'll stop this at 15 minutes because I think 15 minutes is long enough. You've got the old Studebaker, a lineup of cars here, old 59 Chev, possibly 60. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. We will see you next week for the next, and remember it is 2 events lined up back to back, Saturday and Sunday. Hope you enjoyed.